Right, this is what we're going to be making today. These beautiful little mini quiches. Now these are made up entirely of things that I already have on hand. Everything from my vegetable bin in my refrigerator, just to make sure that I do use up everything that I have first before I go shopping. Rightio, let's get cooking. Well, good morning and welcome to my channel. My name's John and welcome to my kitchen as well. Now, it's Thursday here, but on Sunday I'm going to the farmers markets to get my fresh fruit and vegetables. So I'm looking to use up what I've got left here in my vegetable bin. And from just roughly what I've got here, I could probably make a pretty good quiche. Definitely these, the spring onions here, those cherry tomatoes, some mushrooms, definitely. I need garlic in there. That's going to go off soon, so some red capsicum we can pop in. Those tomatoes are good. And I don't think I'm going to put strawberries in my quiche. I've got some ham that I can put in there, and I've also got some cheese. So that's a pretty good quiche. I might actually make some mini quiches in these pie dishes because I do have, see, these little pie dishes here. There you go. If I make them in there, I can make use of some leftover short crust pastry that I've got in my freezer. Right, let's get all these ingredients combined in a jug, and I'll whip up some eggs, and we'll get cracking, shall we? Right, we can start with some of this capsicum. I might have a use for some of that, so I'll save a little bit. Some ham. I'm just going to get a bit of that if I don't. Oh dear. These be pretty good if I just halve them, I think. Right, firstly, let's start with the garlic. So I've got 4 cloves that will pop in there. Can never have too much garlic. Our red capsicum, and that goes. A little bit of ham that I've chopped up. Now the tomato halves. Now our spring onions, and now in with our mushrooms, and they go. And I've got some spinach as well, and we'll put our spinach in now, and I'll just get a fork in there and try and combine these things together. Going to be a very, very healthy couple of quiches, mini quiches that I make here. Perfect to use up those vegetables in the fridge. Right, let's get the eggs and the cheese. The first thing we're going to do is make sure these eggs are good, and it's fine. It's good, so they've got to sink. Right, if they float, they're no good. There we are. 4 good eggs. I'll crack them into there. Then we'll get our cheese. Rightio, there's 4 eggs in there, beaten up. And I'm going to pop in about a cup of grated cheese. Now, there's only a little bit of ham in there, so it's not going to add that much salt flavour, so you just season with some little bit of salt and a good grind of black pepper. Now also into here I'm going to add a little bit of flour. This is to give the quiche some body. Not too much, just enough. There we are. It's about probably a tablespoon, I guess. Right, I'll get my pastry out of the freezer and we'll come back once it's thawed and we can line our pie dishes. Right, now is a good time to turn your oven on to 160 degrees. That's 160 degrees centigrade or Celsius. Just cut these out and then I'll show you how to just shape them into the pie dishes. I think we've got enough for 3 here, the filling at least, so we should be able to make these stretch. So push them into the inner seam and then stretch the pastry over the lip like that. Okay, nice and simple. That one. I'll do the rest of them and then we'll come back. Right, let's combine this lot, shall we? Just pour this into here. We probably need a dash of milk in there. There we go. Rightio, this looks absolutely perfect. Let's get these filled up, shall we? So, just spoon it in. Now these these are made of eggs, so they will rise, so don't put too much in. See how that goes. I'm also going to place them inside this tray like this, so that if they do spill over, they're only going to go as far as the tray underneath. I'm thinking these will only take about 25 minutes, but I'm going to check after 20. 160 degrees, no, probably more like half an hour. And here they are, straight out of the oven. Oh, look at that. That's beautiful. Straight out of its tin. Can't get better than that, can you? Right, I better get that one into a bowl for a tasting. Right, I'll just go and grab a knife and fork. Rightio, we'll halve this first and see. See how confident we could be about eating this by just holding it in our hand, and I'd be quite confident about that. There's no excess liquid there, and I think though that addition of some flour in there certainly helped it. Let's hope this is cooled up enough. I'm very aware that because there's tomato in here, and tomato tends to be hotter than the sun when it comes out of the oven. Let's have a see how we go. Oh wow. Oh, that's sensational. If I make this again, I'm going to want to have exactly those ingredients in it. That's absolutely superb. Look, thank you very much for watching this. I hope you can use up what's left in your fridge and make a magnificent mini quiche like these. And if you do, let me know, and I'll catch you on my next recipe.